Welcome to Smalltalk Daily for Thursday, May 21st, 2009. This morning I thought I'd pick up where I left off with Explain and go through something that was mentioned to me yesterday as kind of a cool thing that I kind of blipped over, and that is that you can get explanations not just of methods, but of variables. So if I take a look at this, syndication sem, and I want to wonder, is this just a method or is it a variable? If I hit Explain, you'll notice that it pops up and tells me it's both an instance variable and, of course, a message selector. So if I hit Browse on the instance variable, it will take me to all the places in this class where that instance variable is directly referenced, which in this case is just the setter and getter. So I can do that with instance variables. Likewise, if I go here to the class side, I'm going to go here because I know where there's a reference to this default. If I hit Explain on that, it will again tell me this is an instance variable of the receiver, and it's defined here. So it's an instance variable of this class as opposed to of an instance of the class. And again, if I hit Browse, it'll take me to all the places that class instance variable is directly accessed in these 5 methods. So you can see that. Now, also, there are shared variables, things that used to be called class variables. If I bring another browser up on a class called bitstring, you'll notice there's a class initialization method here that references something called bitmask's terminal. If I explain that, so I go down here, hit Explain, and you notice that it tells me now this is a shared variable defined here. If I hit Browse, it will take me to that shared variable definition. So I go over here to bitmask terminal, in class ASN1, I'm on the shared variable tab, and it takes me to the definition of it, and here I can see what the actual value of it is, but I can see where it was defined, and it must be getting its initialization in code because there's no initialization here in the definition itself. So there's a lot of interesting things I can pick up just by hitting Explain on instance variables, class instance variables, and shared variables. And of course, as I showed you yesterday, you can get all the same kind of information on method definitions. So we'll leave it there for today. Until next time, have fun with Smalltalk.